I've made a lot of mistakes. 5 biggest business mistakes that I've made are as follows. The first one is not raising our profile and not raising my profile online. I knew about this 7-8 years ago. I knew it was a good option and I waited until not long ago to start doing it, and the benefits are huge, so I really wish I'd done that earlier. Probably one of my biggest regrets more than a mistake. The second thing is not having a business model that has any room for leadership and doesn't have good enough margins. Didn't really matter what we did, I couldn't get it to work in the early days. The third is probably hiring out of desperation. So having high costs, high fixed costs, and then needing to hire many people at a time to be able to service and get the sales in we needed to fill that high cost and make sure we had enough sales coming in for that high cost. The fourth is focusing on new sales instead of managing the sales we already had. So we had a very aggressive sales approach that was very good at collecting new business, but we didn't focus enough from an operational perspective delivering what we needed to clients that were already clients. Thankfully we've addressed that one now, but that was a big mistake. And then the fourth thing is not making the hard decisions quick enough. So knowing exactly what was wrong and what needed to be fixed, but kind of ignoring it or not thinking about it. In fact, that's a great task for all of us to do.